Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited about this. That is Spanish tortilla with onions. It's a good sound, wasn't it? Hopefully when I flip my tortilla over, it will work. Let's flip this baby over. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do a romesco sauce. So we've got some nice tomatoes here. They're going to take about 30-40 minutes to roast with a garlic head. So I've already covered those in oil. Now, there's a bit of a debate whether we should do onions or no onions with Spanish tortilla. I love onions, especially when they've been slow cooked down, because then they're really, really sweet and delicious. I've been seasoning my cast iron pans all week. Look at those. Hopefully when I flip my tortilla over, it will work and it won't stick. In that romesco sauce, we've got a bit of bread here. That's gonna go in the sauce. We're gonna toast that. And then we are gonna toast the almonds, which I've blanched this morning. Rather than buy, oh, I just lost one. Rather than buying them already blanched, already peeled from the shop, because they're much more expensive. So for the romesco sauce, we've got olive oil, paprika, this is the best one to buy, sherry vinegar, and ancho chili. And then we're gonna slow cook these onions down, eggs, and that's pretty much it really. I'm gonna crack on and peel those potatoes, because we're gonna put those in the oven first. So you're supposed to confit the potatoes. That's a lot of olive oil. Olive oil is really expensive right now. I'm doing a healthier version. My potatoes coming out like that. As soon as that gets down to a bit where I'm not holding it properly, then I'm gonna use the safeguard. No, we don't want fingers in the tortilla. I need to wash the starch out. And then we're gonna dry them, and then we're gonna put them in the oven. In Barcelona, where we were filming The Heat, they had like these Spanish tortillas in like domes in every cafe. Right, these potatoes are finally dry. Let's get some oil. We're not going to salt them yet because I don't want any more moisture to come out of the potatoes. In they go. This is going to be fun because I'm probably going to start crying in a minute. Let's get some olive oil in there. I'm going to start putting the onions in already. I want them to cook slowly. I've just burnt those onions. First burn of the lives. Let's take those ones out. A little bit of shower is okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, that was burnt though. That's going to take a while. I'm just going to let that cook down. Put these bad boys on the griddle pan. Can you tell a joke? As long as you keep it clean, please. What do you call a cow with no legs? Ground beef. Potatoes. Potatoes in here. Trick to cracking eggs with no shell. Break it on the counter. Then you should split it. And hopefully no shell comes out. Shell in it. Damn it. Just whisking these up. You don't want them too hot, because if they're too hot, it's going to cook the eggs. Okay, potatoes are going in. Just soak up the egg. Seasoning. Yeah, they look good, huh? They've been roasting in the oven for about half an hour, 40 minutes. Blender. Put these in the oven for a few minutes just to toast. I love garlic. I put the whole thing in. What do you think of the onions? This is a big chili pepper. It's mild. I'm not scared, yeah? Chili pepper, that's been soaking for 2 hours. It was a dried chili. Sherry vinegar going in. I always put less and then I can add more in later. 60 mils of olive oil. I'm gonna put about half a teaspoon in. Bread and nuts, thank you. Oh my gosh, are they okay? Yeah, we're gonna break this up because I think that it's too chunky. Blanched almonds, I did them myself before we went live. Right, onions are going in. Put that into my bowl to mix up properly. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Look at that delicious mix. That is Spanish tortilla with onions. Are you team onions or not team onions, everybody? So I'm going to put that on the blitz. It's a good sound, wasn't it? Let's flip this baby over. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's a really beautiful colour. I caught it just in time. I'm not going to keep it on the fire for too long, because I think I kept it on too long that side and I want it to be gooey inside. Yeah, I think it's gooey. Ta-da! 3 of those. Please be gooey. There you go, Spanish tortilla. Gosh, it's still gooey. It's so good. The onions, sorry, but whoever's not team onions, onions is everything. That is delicious. Dip it in the sauce. Of course, I've got to have the sauce. That gorgeous sauce. It's not as gooey as I liked. I left it probably into a bit too long. But you know what? For the first go, I'm happy with it. Oh my God, it goes so well. It's delicious. The sherry vinegar from the Romesco kind of cuts through.